Good morning, fruit lovers. I'm here with my 8-year-old granddaughter, Melina. How you doing today, Melina?
Good.
Good? Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have, what'd you have for breakfast?
Smoothie.
Smoothie, yes! What'd you have in that smoothie?
I had bananas, I had strawberries, and I had blueberries.
Nice, sounds good. Beautiful. Are you on a fruit cleanse? She's not sure what that is, but you eat a lot of fruit, right?
Yeah.
You're vegan, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think vegan is so good?
Because you're healthy.
You're healthier and stronger?
Yeah.
You think you're stronger too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? When you think about some of the strong animals, right? What do they eat?
Plants.
Plants, yeah. So, how's the rest of the family doing on the vegan diet?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
That's good, good. So Melina's gonna help me work out today.
Yeah.
Yeah, today I got my trusty sled. So that's the other thing, you know, even when you're doing a cleanse and you're eating nice volumes of fruit, you have plenty of energy to exercise. The only thing I'm not eating right now is no nuts, no seeds, and no avocados, okay? But, and of course, nothing that had eyes or a mother, right? We don't eat animals. Not that you're not allowed to. The Bible does say you can eat animals. That's fine if you want to do that. But for the best health, probably better not, you know? Yeah. Keeps you a little healthier. We get plenty of protein, right, Melina?
Yeah.
How's your muscles? You strong? Can you push this? You can? All right. Let's see you do it.
Okay.
All right. Here she's going to go. Go ahead. Good job. Come on, push. Use those toes. Use those toes. Good job. Okay, with the sled, I did 4 rounds up and back. So I'm pushing and pulling 4 rounds. And then I'll do a couple of more exercises, just 2 more exercises, and that's the workout for the day. Kind of a light one. The sled's tough though, but you know, I'm trying to get back in really good shape. Well, I hope your fruit cleanse is going well. And like I mentioned, you can still exercise, but make sure you're getting enough volume of fruit. You know, you really have to fill up the stomach. And then that's good training for your stomach. Your stomach will start to expand because you're getting more water in there and fiber. And you'll be able to handle more fruit. And that's a problem when, from years of eating cooked food, which actually dehydrates us, our stomachs get smaller. They shrink. And that's why sometimes in the beginning, eating a lot of fruit seems overwhelming. But the more you do it, the better you get at it. And the better you get at it, the healthier you'll get, because you know, you're just getting all that water, that fiber, those vitamins, and you're just going to feel great. And you're not getting too much, you know, you're getting no saturated fat, none. And that helps the body to unclog and clear itself. Okay, next exercise, squats. Simple squats. I'm using slant boards so I can get nice and deep. I'm going to use a 20-pound kettlebell. I've got to keep my elbows up. And I'm going to do 3 rounds of 20 squats. Here we go. Okay, the last exercise is reverse Nordics. Really helps to stretch out the quads and the hip flexors. Okay, I have very tight hip flexors and quads. So I work on this, and well, I just got back into working on it a little more. I elevate my feet a little bit, and I'm just trying to go back like this, and then you can come up unassisted even. So the goal here, I'm just trying to do 5 reps, and I'll do 3 sets. You can pulse. It's a great exercise for lengthening the quads and the hip flexors. 3 sets, 5 slow reps. Use mats, elevate your feet, that makes it easier. So we hope you enjoyed that video. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good, good. Melina's a real trooper. You know what she does for exercise? What do?
I do skateboarding.
Skateboarding. What else? Riding her bike, running. What else? She does workouts with Grandpa.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, everybody, thumbs up. Hey, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Give us a thumbs up. Say goodbye, Melina.
Bye.
Bye-bye.